Hey, Richie here, and welcome to my channel. If you and your partner love each other, start with that. But keep getting stuck in the same fights, the same distancing tactics, the same silent treatment, the same dysfunctional dances over and over again, I got great news for you. You're not broken. You're patterned. And patterns can change. What's interesting is most couples don't struggle because they don't care. They struggle because old survival strategies take over when emotions run high, and they're triggered. Like people pleasing, shutting down, controlling, avoiding. This channel isn't about quick tips or pretending communication alone will fix everything, because it doesn't. I talk about what's really happening underneath the conflict, the power struggles, the emotional imbalances, the emotional unavailability, and the moments when connection gets replaced by protection. So my work here is grounded in what they call relational life therapy, and it's an approach that blends deep compassion with real accountability, so both partners learn how to show up, not just one. I do take sides. I do confront partners. And this channel is for couples and individuals who want more than peace. Everybody wants peace. Most couples come into these chairs, we have communication problems. But they also want is closeness, more connection, more intimacy, more honesty, and the ability to repair when things get challenging. If you're ready for some real relational work, rooted in truth, in caring, please subscribe. And to be honest, I'm going to give it my best to provide new videos at least every week. However, I see over a dozen couples in my private practice here, and they get most of my attention. Well, no. My wife and my dogs, they get most of my attention. My clients are next on the list. So this channel will be the third rung down. So if you're interested, please subscribe. And I love comments, and I love ideas for videos of what you're struggling with as a couple, as a partner, as an individual in a relationship. That's it, and I hope you subscribe. Bye.